This is the new ProMaster CL36RGB Chroma light. This is an LED light, and as you can see, it's reasonably compact. It uses a 3000 milliamp internal battery that's rechargeable. So there's a USB-C charging port on it, and we do include a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and you can charge it from just about any common USB-A charger that you might have around your house or in your car. Once the battery is charged, the light will run for approximately an hour and a half at 100% power, depending on the mode that you have it in. The light has three main modes. There is a bicolor mode, so if you want to use this light as a typical bicolor, which means that you can adjust the warmth and coolness of the light, you can set it to the bicolor mode and just change the color temperature. It also has an RGB mode, and of course that's the most important mode on this light because it can mimic a lot of different colors. There's actually 360 different color hues that you can achieve with this light that go through the entire color spectrum. Once you choose a color or a color temperature, if you're in bicolor mode, there's a simple dial on the side of the light, and you just adjust that wheel to change the intensity of the light so you can control its light output. Finally, there's a special effects mode, and that's pretty cool. If you're doing video work with this light, you can go into special effects mode, and we have a number of neat things that we can do with this light because it can mimic colors. You can mimic something like a lightning strike or how a candle flickers and a number of other types of special effects. As an additional accessory with this light, we include a soft honeycomb grid. The honeycomb grid simply goes over the front of the light, and what this does is it focuses the beam of the light into a tight pattern. So when you're using a special effect or a color, you can really make sure that that special effect or that beam is exactly where you want it in your shot, and it's not just kind of flooding things all over the place. If you want a wider flood, you simply leave the honeycomb grid off. That's the Chroma light.